Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily edit a section's name inside a Pinterest board with the latest update. It's a quick process that helps you keep your boards organized and easy to navigate. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. This will display all your boards in one place. Next, find and tap on the board where the section you want to rename is located. Once inside the board, look for the specific section you want to edit and tap on it. Now, to make changes to the section name, tap on the three dots icon usually found in the upper right corner of the section screen. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Edit Section. This will bring up the editing interface where you can change the section's details. Tap on the Name field, delete the current name, and enter the new name you want for this section. Make sure the new name clearly reflects the content you have organized there. Once you've typed in the new name, simply tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated the name of a section inside your Pinterest board. This helps you keep your pins well organized and makes it easier for you and your followers to find exactly what you're looking for. Remember, keeping your Pinterest boards and sections clearly named can improve your browsing experience and even help with Pinterest's search visibility. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.